You're going to find the value of the variables in each figure, justify each equation set with a theorem. In this video, I'm only covering A, B, and C. Let's take a look at the first one here. We notice that we can set up this equation right here. X plus 12 plus y is equal to 180 because of linear pair. But the reason why you can't solve this right now is because there's two variables. We must know what y is. Well, we know what this angle and this angle, y is equal to 114. We know this is true because of corresponding angles. So once we know that, we can make that substitution. This is 114 for the y. Everything else remains the same. Combine some like terms. 12 and 114 are like terms. So those can combine to make the value 126. So this is x plus 126 because these are like terms equals to 180. You minus 126 to both sides. This cancel. X is equal to 180 minus 126. This gets you 54. Okay. Let's look at B here. All right. Well, we can get this angle here, this angle, and this angle. So 3x minus 15 is equal to 105 because this is corresponding angles. Let's add 15 to both sides. 3x is equal to 105 plus 15. That's 120. Divide by 3, divide by 3. X is equal to 40. This cancels. All right. Then we know that right here, these two angles, okay, add up to 180 because of linear pair. So it's 3x minus 15 plus y plus 25 is equal to 180. These are like terms, so these can combine. This makes 10, right? 25 minus 15 is 10. 25 minus 15 should be 10, correct. Bring down 3x, bring down the y is equal to 180. Minus 10 to both sides. This cancels. 3y. 3x plus y is equal to 170. We know what x is. X is 40. So x becomes 40 right here. Plus y equals to 170. 3 times 40 is 120. Bring down the plus y equals to 170. Minus 120 to both sides. This cancels. Y is equal to 50 degrees. Then let's do C. I'm going to move C a little bit to the right so we have a little bit more room. Here we're only asked to find, there's only one of them here. Well, there is no relationship between this angle and this angle. There is no name, okay? But we can make up an arbitrary value here. Like we can make this y, okay? I know that 2x is equal to y because of this and this are corresponding angles, okay? Right. Then I also know that this forms a line, so y plus 54 is equal to 180. We know that is because of linear pair. But we know what y is. Y is 2x, so we could put in 2x here. Plus 54 is equal to 180. Now we can solve for x. Minus 54 to both sides. This cancels. 2x is equal to 180. 180 minus 54. This gets you 126. Divide that by 2 to both sides. This cancels. X is equal to 60 degrees. So there you go.